Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super exciting to share with you all. My YouTube journey in 2024. Spoiler alert, it's been an amazing year. Let's dive into the numbers and talk about how this channel grew up over 592%. Yes, you heard that right. Let's go. Let's start with the big picture. In 2024, this channel got a whopping 1,20,024k views. That's 300% increase compared the last year. Honestly, I couldn't have done it without your amazing support. Thank you so much, guys. Next up, watch time. This year we hit 2.6k hours of watch time, which is 361% increase. That's incredible. So see how many of you are sticking around and watching my content. This truly motivates me to create even better videos. And here's the best part. Our community grew by 1.2k subscribers, 592% increase. That's absolutely insane, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you who hit the subscribe button this year. This growth didn't happen overnight. I focused on creating content that you love, experimenting with new ideas, and most importantly, staying consistent. And reading your comments. Your feedback played a huge role in helping me improve. Looking back, there are three major lessons I learned this year, and I'm going to share with you guys because I want you to start a YouTube channel in 2025 and make money. So the number one is consistency is key. Uploading regularly made a big difference. I didn't upload every day, but I was trying to upload twice or thrice in a week. And the number two is understanding analytics that helped me identify what works and what doesn't. So using analytics, that means YouTube dashboard, you can understand which video performs better, which keyword more searchable on YouTube right now, and which are trending for your YouTube channel. And collecting those information, you can analyze and you can create this kind of videos. Okay, and the number three is engaging with you all worthwhile. So that's been always you have to connecting or engaging with your audience. That's the thing. In 2025, I plan to take this channel to the next level with even more valuable content. My goal is to double our views, watch time, and community size, and I know we can do it together. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. If you have enjoyed my content this year and want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment what type of videos you would love to see in 2025. Together we are just getting started. See you in the next video. Bye for now.